in one of his small books titled The Topmost Yoga System, which is a summary of Bhagavad Gita, chapter 5 and 6, Srila Prabhupada delivered a very wonderful illumination on Sri Krishna's divine names, which we will summarize here. So this is a summary of Prabhupada's explanation of the meaning of the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Srila Prabhupada said, "Due to your association with the material energy for eternal time, your consciousness is now contaminated by the material atmosphere. The material world in which you are now living is called Maya. Maya, that which is not. Maya means illusion, and Krishna means Satyam, truth. By chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, you can clean all the obstacles and material desires from your heart. By practical experience of chanting Hare Krishna Japa, you yourself can perceive that by chanting this Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, or the great chant for deliverance, you will at once feel a transcendental ecstasy coming from the spiritual stratum. Thus, you can see that chanting the Hare Krishna mantra actually comes down from the spiritual platform. And this spiritual sound vibration surpasses all lower strata of consciousness, namely the sensual plane, the mental plane, and the intellectual plane. There is no need for you to understand the language of the mantra, nor do you have to engage in any intellectual adjustment to chant the Maha Mantra. Chanting springs automatically from the spiritual platform, and as such, anyone can take part in vibrating this transcendental sound of the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra without any prior qualification. In the beginning of chanting Hare Krishna Japa, you may not experience transcendental ecstasy, but there is no doubt that chanting Hare Krishna for a short time will immediately take you to the spiritual platform. And one of the first symptoms that you have touched or attained the spiritual platform is that you have a desire to dance along with chanting the Hare Krishna mantra. We have all seen this practically, and you may even testify yourself. Everyone can take part in chanting Hare Krishna and dancing, even a child. Of course, if you are too entangled in material life and sense enjoyment, it may take a little more time to come to the standard point. But even if you are materially attached, you can be raised to the spiritual platform very quickly by chanting Hare Krishna. As living beings, Jivatmas, you are superior to this material energy. But when the superior energy of the Jivatma is in contact with the inferior energy of Maya, then an incompatible situation arises. But when the superior marginal energy, the Jivatma, comes in contact with the superior energy, Radharani, who is called Hara or Hare in the Maha Mantra, then the Jiva, you, become established in a happy, blissful, and peaceful condition. The chanting of the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra is a spiritual call to Sri Krishna and Srimati Radharani to give protection. Your chanting of the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra should be exactly like the genuine crying of a child for its mother's presence. If you chant this Maha Mantra very sincerely, then for sure, definitely, Sri Krishna will reveal himself to you. In this age of Kali, of quarrel and lying and hypocrisy, there is no other means of spiritual realization as effective as chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra.